Yeah, this is 13 Whiskey Sugar 001. Good morning, Darren.
Good morning. I think I've watched you before. I remember the whiskey and too much sugar. 13 whiskey sugar 001. Very good morning to you. You got your name Darren there. You're currently about 5 and 5 here at the moment. Some QSB conditions are not too bad, but not so stable there. 13 whiskey Sierra 001. You need to give me the name again, please, there, from 110 in Tenby, Wales. Over.
Yes, greetings to Tenby and a very nice good morning here from the southern part of Germany. This is 13 Whiskey Sugar 001. Name of the site here is Mike, Mexico, India, Kilo Echo. I think we had a QSO before. And your signal is very nice here. 20 dB over 9 and Super Radio 5. Back to you, Darren.
QSO, Mike. Yeah, I think we have spoke before. I recognise the call sign. I'm sure we have there. Mate, but if not, a very good morning. And I hope you've not had too much whiskey and sugar for breakfast. But yeah, good to hear you. You're 5-5, but QSB there quite a bit there. 5 and 7 also peaking there. But there's some QSB at the moment there, Mike there. I'm surprised to see the band so lively at this time in the morning, but fantastic stuff there. Sporadity's wide open there. It's been the past month or so there, so we're not complaining. WX-ray at the moment is blue sky and sunshine. I don't know the exact temperature, but it's dry at the moment. I've been up since 6 a.m. and it was pouring from the heavens of heavy rain. But thankfully it's sunny and blue sky here at the moment as I look out the shack window there, Mike. Yeah, so hopefully it will stay that way, but I think it's forecasted for some showers in between the sunny spells there. But hopefully it will miss this part of Wales there, Mike. I'm running an ICOM 7610 here. And the hex beam at 10 metres over the ground there. Hopefully you're still hearing me. 13 whiskey Sierra 001 163 Oscar Papa 11 over.
Okay, Darren, 11-0. I got to put it on my paper. Just a question. Before I give you also here the weather report, we have since the morning hours, we have blue sky. It's sunny, no clouds. And the temperatures in the morning at 6:30 was 11 degrees. It was a little bit cold, but I think we get in the rest of the day, we should get here 25 degrees over. And so I think it will be a very, very sunny day. And in the afternoon, I put out my Yamaha out of the garage and riding a little bit on the streets. Before I sit the whole day in the shack here, Darren. Yeah, just a question. Yeah, I'm running here also the same transceiver, 7610 from ICOM, and the microphone here is a Sugar Mic 30, also from ICOM. And in the moment, I'm running barefoot, the 100 watts out of the transceiver, and the antenna is the inverted V, 2 times 18 meters length, and it's tuned with an automatic tuner and a feed point. Just a question, you have the hex beam antenna. I also have an hex beam here, but it's still not installed because I'm waiting for my tower. Just a question, the SWR on 11 meters, is it easy or do you have to tune, Darren? Back to you.
Okay, Mike, well, it is more for 10 metres, of course. But my SWR here at the moment is 1.5. 1.5, I'm not tuning it. It's 1.5 here. And I am using an amplifier at the moment, so it's probably slightly less than 1.5. But I'm running an amplifier at the moment, and I'm at 1.5, 1.56 with the peaks. I'm running just over 400 watts here, Mike. So, but for this bit of band here, 11, going down to 27. I don't go any lower than 27,435. 27,435. The SWR starts to raise, and anywhere below 27,435. On the 27 megs, it will start going up to near the 2.0, and then I would need to start using a tuner, but it would be no point there. It would just be you will be kidding yourself on, if you know what I mean. It wouldn't be working great, but from 27,435 up to this, up to the 28, obviously, but it worked for me okay. But anywhere like the European mid-band, the EU, 20, 26, 27 lower of 27,435, it's the SWR starts to raise up there, so it's okay to that frequency there, Mike. Hopefully you understand, over.
Yes, sure, I understand. No problem, Darren. Yeah, when I had installed my hex beam, I had built it up here, but just on a test mast with a 2 meters high over the ground, and there the SWR is not so good because I'm too low to the ground here. But when my tower arrived and I had erected up and mounted the antenna, I think the SWR will be better. But I'm very happy to hear that, because for me it's also important that the SWR is okay around the 555 frequencies here, and not down on the regular CB channels. There's not so interesting to use beam antennas, because the other people or the other radio friends are all using vertical antennas on the normal channels. But here on DX around the 555 frequency, there's important to have a really okay SWR, because I have here also an amplifier, and it's an Arcom 1010 amplifier. And when I use this, it's better to have a good SWR on these frequencies here. Back to you, Darren.
It will stay stable there. I'm also using the same amplifier, the Acom 1010 here. We almost have the same station. The 7610 and the Acom 1010. We almost have the same station, just different microphone I'm using. And the hex beam that I have was manufactured over here in Wales, so I don't know what hex beam you have there. I've got the Golf 3 Tango X-Ray Quebec hex beam that's manufactured. It makes the hex beams over here in Wales, Anthony, so I don't know if it's the same antenna, but more or less it will be the same antenna, just a different build quality, or the way they're built with different materials, I don't know. But that's the hex beam that I have here, Mike, over.
Yeah, my hex beam here is from E-Antenna, and I built it here by I had bought it by one of the greatest dealer here in Germany, or distributor, or I'm not sure, but I think E-Antenna was in Spain before, but now it's sold by Vimo here in Germany, Roger.
QSO, I heard about the antennas changing countries there of distribution and different owners there. Well, hopefully it performs well for you. It's a great antenna, and I must say it works very well in all the frequency it covers, from 20 to 6 meters. It works surprisingly well on 6 meters also. Works really well on 6 meters, and I've just started. I only started using 6 meters last week, and I was surprised how good it worked on 6 meters. I've also got an add-on kit for 40 meters, 40 meters, but I haven't installed yet. It's been sitting here in the Radio Shack for about, just over 2 years, I would say now. I have an add-on kit, a folded dipole for 40 meters, which I need to put on one day. I've been threatening to do for just over 2 years, and I still haven't done it, but I really want to put the add-on kit to see how it performs comparison to the half-wave end-fed I use for 0 meters. So we will see how it performs there once we do the installation onto the hex beam here. Mike, I don't know if you're interested in going on YouTube. I'm recording QSO this morning with the radio stations I'm working, so just to ask your permission if you would like to go on to my YouTube channel. It's all raw material, no edits, it's unprofessional. It's just for some radio fun, not to make any money, just for radio fun. So let me know if you wish to go on the YouTube channel of mine there. and it would be a great pleasure. But if not, it's no problem, understand there. So hopefully you can still hear me, Mike, because there's quite a bit of QSB there. Did you copy that over, QSL?
Yes, no problem, Darren. You can put this QSO on the YouTube channel, no problem. I will look on YouTube and give you my comment. So no problem, Darren. Yeah, last word about the hex beam antenna. I am also on 6 meters, and in the moment, I'm using a very simple half-wave dipole. I had built it myself. No balloon, nothing, just a simple dipole out of from aluminium. From the market, just a simple aluminium profile, and feed it by coax cable. And it's running very good from 50 to 54 megahertz, and has a very, very nice SWR. And so I make some contacts. It's not installed on a rotor. It's just looking in one direction, HI. But yeah, I'm very happy when I can build up my hex beam, so I can use it also on 6 meter band. Yeah, I will be very happy, and then I will try to get you on 6 meter, HI.
Yeah, we maybe meet on 6 meter or elsewhere there. You never know, Mike. It must be about 2.5 years now. And I've had many antennas through the years I've been in the radio hobby, and it's the best purchase and investment in this antenna. This one is very the build quality is outstanding. I'm very pleased with it and how it performs there. And comparing just using half-wave end fed and then switching over to the hex beam at the same time, watching the receive it's unbelievable. I'm over the moon with it there. My YouTube channel is called Ham Radio, CB Radio, Tembe, Tango, Echo, November, Bravo, Yankee, QTH, Tembe, Wales. QTH, so it's Ham Radio, CB Radio, QTH, Tembe, Wales. And I'll put this QSO under 13WWS001 Germany into Tembe, Wales. So even if you put 163OP110, it should probably pop up some of the previous videos on my YouTube channel. And when you hear the Scottish accent coming out of Wales, I think you'll know it's me there, Mike QSL.
No problem, Darren. I had commented your channel. I think it was, I don't know, it was a short time after our first QSO. I was looking on YouTube and I found your channel, and I had also commented, Roger.
Oh, all right. I try to remember anyone that comments on it, anyone that subscribes, but sometimes I don't see all the comments. And sometimes I do, of course, and I try to reply to every comment. So if I replied there, Mike, forgive me that I've forgotten. Well, I'm over 40 years old now, so I don't know. That's my excuse. My memory is not fantastic. I think it's. Well, I'm 43 years of age, 43, Mike, and I think my memory is not as good as it was when I was 23, if you know what I mean. And with the station manager giving me, shouting at me due to all the antennas here in the garden, it's making my memory go, losing memory. HI used to say there, Mike, she does not like the hex beam, she does not like the radio, the XYL, but we've been together almost 25 years, but she understands that I enjoy radio, so it's a mutual respect and love, but no, she doesn't like the radio, the station manager. Unfortunately, I've tried to get her to join in the hobby, but no, she's no interest. She says that we all speak like robots because my voice changes when I'm on the radio, she says, because I'm trying to speak slower and slower, QSL.
Yes, okay, Darren. Yeah, here it's the same. My ex-wife also, she tolerate my hobby, but she's not interested in in amateur or CB radio. She's working outside in the garden the whole day. But yeah, she tolerate my crazy hobby here and the antennas and cables and all these things around and in the house. And yeah, she shakes her head and thinks, okay, he's a little bit crazy, but he's at home, HI, Darren.
Yeah, I think we're all in the same boat, aren't we? I think we're really all in the same boat. As long as you look after our family, enjoy life the best we can there, and treat the good lady, the station manager, very well. We'll be okay. What I usually do is, if I'm buying new radio equipment or anything like that, Mike, I usually buy the XYL handbags, some chocolates and flowers, and it usually works out for me over.
Yes, okay, yeah, the same here. But yeah, I find it okay because many ways from other radio friends are not so tolerant. They are part ways. They are, yeah, like little dogs barking the whole day because the operator is sitting the half day on the transceivers and things like that. And yeah, sometimes there's a little bit trouble in the families, HI.
Okay, I had a station calling on the frequency there, Mike, so I didn't get all that over, and you're dropping down quite a bit now, so I had to put the preamp on to try and fill you in a bit there, Mike. So,
okay, not too sure. Was it 27 divisions, is that correct?
This morning, and hopefully next time maybe we're working you hex beam to hex beam. It would be interesting to test to see how it performs there. I'm sure it'll perform really well, the hex beam for you, and you'll have many enjoyable contacts here, local or long DX here for sure. Mike, check the YouTube out later on. I've got a few to upload, so I'll probably take a
1-5 Whiskey Kilo 1-5.
I'm actually in the outdoor radio shack here at the top of the garden, and I'm uploading via the Wi-Fi, and sometimes it can go a little bit slow. It's like Pony Express. So pleasure working you, Mike, again. Enjoy the weekend.
Okay, good morning. 1-5 Whiskey Kilo 451. Returning my side to 108 Alpha Tango 101. And the operator of this side will be Gary Golf Alpha Romeo Yankee. Operator Gary, the city, Glasgow, Scotland 451 from Unit 101.
Yeah. 001, been a pleasure, Mike, and enjoyable QSO, and hopefully we can do it again real soon. From the 163 Oscar Papa 11-0. We'll listen out for you again, vice versa, Mike. Stay lucky, stay happy. Back to you in the final, Mike. We'll listen out for you. 73.
Yes, thank you very much, Darren. 163 Oscar Papa 110. This is 13 Whiskey Sugar 001 for the final. Yeah, there was running another station over you a little bit, but I could understand every word, so no problem. Thank you very much, Darren. It was a very nice contact, and I'm always happy when I hear you again on the frequencies, and I will look for 100% for sure on your YouTube channel for our QSO. Darren, greetings to your family, to you, and here from the southern part of Germany. Good DX, thank you very much for the awesome QSO, and I'm sure I hear you again here on the frequencies by your big signal and the nice audio. Darren, 73s, good luck, and thank you very much, and until the next time, bye-bye.
You were 5-1, 5-2. You've come back up to 5-9. How you love his Brady season, it's unbelievable. It's great stuff there. Okay, Mike, all the best. I'm actually going to go and make myself a latte at the moment there. Out the sachet, quick start and hot water, and I'll have a latte in 2 seconds. So that's what I'm going to do now there. 73 Mike there. Yeah, check out the YouTube, put a wee comment, it'd be great there. Hopefully I see the comment, because sometimes on YouTube they don't put some of the comments up. I receive email of comment, but I don't see it on the YouTube. I don't know, it's very strange. It happens sometimes there. But okay, have a great weekend, Mike. Till the next one. Good luck, 73.
Oh, also good luck. Thank you very much, Darren. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.